Headline banners below me right now. 266,000 jobs. That's what America created in the month of...
The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Money's coming to me.
What we do have is a jobs report that is, by economist measures, better than expected, guys. As you're seeing on those kind of headline banners below me right now, 266,000 jobs. That's what America created in the month of November. 187,000 is what economists were expecting. So a better than expected report there.
There you have it. Today, 266,000 jobs. Remember, 128,000 in October. So we went from 128 in October to 266,000. Can you imagine when Pelosi and Schiff and Nadler heard that? Their underwear must have knotted up, for God's sakes. Here, they're asking the American people to support them to throw Trump out of office when you get these numbers where we increase from 128,000 jobs to 266,000. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. I'm going to go through these numbers with you and tell you the truth, not what the fake business networks are telling you. We'll dig down into these numbers and show you what's really going on and what the real numbers are. But this had to be something. Today, they went nuts. The fake business news networks went absolutely nuts.
America is working. We are in an American workers' boom with respect to income and wages.
But with a jobs report like this, wages rising, and all the changes that you've outlined there, Larry, can we get to 3% in the early part of next year? Can we do it?
Well, we sure can. We absolutely surely can. Do you remember Kudlow kept telling us how we could get to 4 to 5%? It never happened. They're not going to get to 3% next year. They can't get to 3%. I mean, it's just amazing. It's just crazy. So we've got all these people coming out today. They're so excited, and Kudlow come out and say we're going to have 4 to 5%. How many times did we hear that from him? Never got there. You can't get to 4 to 5% GDP when you got a budget deficit that's going crazy. Budget deficits keeps wages down. And when you keep wages down, you can't grow the economy. We get growth because people spend. But they're spending, but it's not with wage increases. They're spending because they make sure the Federal Reserve provides a credit bubble. Let people go and get this money, very inexpensive money, and just keep buying stuff. You can't keep on with America spending our Congress more than we take in. And where you got $1 trillion budget deficit. That's insane. You're never going to... He's just full of it. Today he was talking about CapEx. Right? How great it was. But remember, he said that to us before. Here, listen to this. We are moving into a CapEx business investment recovery. We had a terrific one in 2017.
How do you know that? I mean, what numbers can you tell me that we got a capital investment resurgence? Where is it?
Couple of things, and it's not overwhelming. But I will just say, here's what I'm looking at. I used to be a Wall Street economist, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera.
Oh yeah, we're going to trust you, Larry, because you're a Wall Street economist, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Here's the truth, right here. Listen to this.
We're seeing core CapEx orders really starting to steam up.
And that wasn't true. The next day, here's what we heard.
Business investment. It was down in the second quarter.
Business investment, why has it not kicked in?
With very little contribution from business investment.
You did have the capital spent.
Unbelievable. So he turns around and he lies.
We're seeing core CapEx orders really starting to steam.
And then the next day on the same network, they come out and they say,
Business investment. It was down in the second quarter.
business investment, CapEx, same thing, is down. So now he sits with Varney.
We are moving into a CapEx business investment.
Wait a minute, you already said we had one.
We're seeing core CapEx orders really starting to steam up.
Wait a minute, Larry, which is it? You're confusing me. You lie so much, you're confusing me. And today, these numbers, will they stop it? I mean, they're making this thing sound like it's... Oh, and then, by the way, they're trying to move the market up to like 600 today. What they did, Larry Kudlow comes out today, not only lying about that stuff, he says, oh, we're real close now, man. We're going to sign an agreement with China. We're right there. Can you imagine? Well, guess what? It didn't work. It didn't work. It's just amazing. I'm glad, though. I'm glad to see that how I love this number because even though it's fake, I love it because Pelosi and Schiff and now they look like fools, don't they? They just look like what they are, fools and liars. It's just amazing. So let's take a look at these numbers. So they increased our jobs by 138,000 from October. So we went from October 128,000 to 266. That's for November. That's 138,000 jobs, right? Now, then they went back and they played with the numbers. They go, oh, October. Oh, you know that number we gave you? 128,000? We found some more back there in October. Yeah, they fell on the floor, and as they were cleaning up the maintenance people, they found them. And so now we got to readjust the number. So it wasn't really 128,000 in October. It's 156,000 in October. Oh, by the way, another maintenance man came in. You know the September number we gave you? Remember the one that was 180? Oh, we found 13,000 more on the floor there, too. Pick those. Hey, now it's up 193,000. Wow. This is amazing. Now, they're going to be really grumpy, the Democrats, Pelosi, Schiff, Nadler, because all they're going to hear over the weekend is the headline number. That's going to drive them nuts of 266. And they're all going to hear is about how 54,000 manufacturing workers were added in November, the most in over 2 decades. But there will be no mention, the reason for the real surge, why this really surged. A one-time event. GM, they came off a strike in November. They went back to work. That's where you got 41,000 of 54,000 jobs right there. But they're not going to mention that. All you're going to hear all weekend. And this is great. I love it because I want to see Nadler go nuts and Pelosi and Schiff. All you're going to hear all weekend is, whoa, 266,000 jobs. All you're going to hear. But you're not going to talk about the fuzzy math either. That's going to even drive them crazier. No one's going to question the fuzzy math. How did they add 138,000 more jobs in November? The numbers don't work. They're saying they added 138,000 more jobs in November than in October for a total of 266,000 jobs. Wait a minute. Let's go research the household survey. The household survey is the real survey you want to go by. These are the real numbers. Remember, you got 2 surveys. The household survey is a real number. That's households. They call the households. That's the real number. They only had 83,000 increase in employment. They had an 83,000 increase in employment. Well, how could they get from 83 up to 266? It's crazy, isn't it? So, but I'm glad. I'm glad. So so these people, everybody's going crazy today over this number. And when I come back, I'm going to tell you why I'm not going crazy over the number. We'll be right back after this break.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. The PhilsGang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At PhilsGang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And PhilsGang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the PhilsGang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at PhilsGang.com. That's PhilsGang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. With the PhilsGang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at PhilsGang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At PhilsGang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And PhilsGang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the PhilsGang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at PhilsGang.com. That's PhilsGang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it. Attend the Phil's Gang Personal Stock Market Coaching Seminar with Phil Grandy and Steve Celeste in Sarasota, Florida. This seminar will educate individuals who are interested in learning in-depth stock charting technicals, providing professional one-on-one training strategies and personal investing experiences. The Phil's Gang Trading and Investing Seminar will give you the confidence to make profits in the stock market. Don't wait. Register today. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or register online at philsgang.com. Stop wasting your money and time on outdated newsletters, reading dozens of websites and magazines. You wanted it, you got it. One-on-one coaching with Phil Grandy. For more information and to register, call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or register online at philsgang.com. And we'll see you on the charts.
Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, so the job numbers came today. They're going crazy. But we got to really take a look at this, what's going on here, okay? There's a lot of fuzzy math. But, you know, they're just not being truthful. You know, the fake business news networks aren't being truthful. I mean, wage growth is not working for our workers. You know what they need to do, when, like, you know, they give you a 3.1%. What they got to do is separate out the big boys, but they don't. They put all one pile and average it. They need to take the workers, Main Street workers, who are not CEOs, take the 157 million people, and take out of that the CEOs and everybody else, put them aside, and then you can get a real number. So think about it. The economy and the wages are not working for the majority of Main Street families. Just talk to anybody. And we're told unemployment has dropped from 10% in 2009 to 3.5% in 2019. Well, God, our wages should be way up there. Huge. But they're not. They're not increasing. They try to tell you they're increasing 3.1% annually, or today 7 cents an hour. Well, are you nuts? So wages are not increasing for the folks who are on Main Street. 50% of our people on Main Street are making less than $30,000 a year. Main Street wages are not increasing at the pace that unemployment is dropping. If you got unemployment going from 10% down to 3.5%, my God, wages should be going through the roof. Not 8 cents or 3.1% for a year, which back in your health care and everything else, you're negative. You're not going anywhere. I mean, this is crazy. Given the low unemployment rate, the amount of profits because of these tax cuts, which are killing you and me because you can't get a wage increase, the economy's not growing. Think about this. They're saying wages are really taking off. Well, how could that be? Because corporations aren't making money. The first quarter of 2019, profits, we'll call them profits instead of earnings, almost the same thing, so I can make a point. If wages were so spectacular, do you think corporations are going to give you spectacular wages when they're growing the economy at 3.1% in quarter one of this year? Then it dropped from 3.1 to 2.0. Then it dropped to 1.9. In fact, that averages out about 2.3, 2.4. It's been that way for 10 years. Our average growth in wage and our GDP, our growth, how fast our economy is growing, has been averaging 2.3, 2.4 for 10 years. So do you think your employer is going to give you raises when they see the economy is not growing? Worse, when they see that their earnings aren't growing. One thing about CEOs, they look out at the economy. They see the economy's gone from 3.1% in the first quarter 2019. We're in the third quarter. It's 1.9%. They think the fourth quarter is going to be less than 1%. Do you think they're going to increase wages? What are you, nuts? Of course not. They're not going to increase wages. They're going to lay you off. And then take a look at the earnings. Quarter one, less than 1%. Earnings, less than 1%. Quarter two, less than 1%. Quarter three, worse, minus 2.3%. So let's get this straight. Wages are fantastic. They keep increasing wages for you when their profits are going down and the economy's not growing. I want you to go to your boss today and tell him you want a wage increase. He's going to say, oh, I can't because our economy's, he's going to say, look at my, they're going down and the economy's not growing. If the economy's not growing, I can't produce more. I'm not going to produce more stuff and try to sell it, be sitting on the shelves.
They've got to be more truthful. And if they're telling you the truth, then why is it in the last 5 years the market has rallied 50%? Not because of profits, not because of our economy's growing, because we've been printing money and giving it to these folks at near zero interest to go speculate in stocks. And then we've been giving people, the CEOs, money, near zero interest, to go buy their own stock. That's what pushed the market up 50%. But the economy, you put it on a chart, the economy's going down 15%, while the market's going up 5%. So you're going to get a raise? You really believe that? What are you, nuts? This is crazy, the lies. But boy, you listen to them today, they're just going nuts, all of them. They're crazy. I mean, it's just unbelievable. Listen to this.
The reason why we are seeing a slight tick lower in unemployment rate is because the labor force participation rate did tick lower as well. So a slight number of people have come out of the workforce. Not as many people are working.
Unbelievable. Just unbelievable. That's why, you know what? That's why I tell my members all the time what we do. You don't listen to these fake news networks. And all I know, when the economy's not growing and it's decelerating and profits aren't growing, they're decelerating, and the market's going up, that's telling me they're artificially pushing the market up through stock buyback. So let's make money as long as they can push it up until they can't push it up anymore. And for 10 years, they've been pushing it up, and we're at that point. Pretty soon, this market's going to turn around and correct itself. It's going to correct itself. In the meantime, they want to keep pushing it up. Go ahead. I told my members today, look, don't get excited here. Don't fall for this, because know what we found? If you go look, you'll find most of the stocks that are going up and the overall stock market that's going up. Go look at the volume. There's no volume. Why? The only reason why the market's going up today, and they're not going to tell you, I'll tell you, the people who were shorting thought the market was going to go down. And when the job numbers came in, they panicked and started to buy their positions back. So there's not new money coming in the market today. It's the same old people who shorted. They just turned their position around. And if you look at the volume is horrible, which proves there's no new money coming in. So I told everybody, just chill it out for a couple of days and let's see what happens. Be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativeGroup.com.
License number A1900020.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, and welcome to Stock Corner.
Looking for a home in Southwest Florida? Then you'll need a real estate agent. Jason Grandy of RE/MAX Alliance Group, a licensed realtor for more than 20 years. He has navigated numerous real estate market cycles, helping clients through every challenge. And of course, you'll need a mortgage. Why not get a mortgage hassle-free? And to do that, you'll need cashcallmortgage.com. Their team makes it painless to buy or refinance your next property. Give them both a call. Jason Grandy, RE/MAX Associate, 941-954-5454, and cashcallmortgage.com, 866-708-5626.
And there's a great team. You get the best real estate deals, and you get someone who can work with you with a mortgage and get it done, especially if you own a business, because it's really difficult, no matter what your credit score is, to get financing when you're a business owner. They put you through all kinds of hell. They keep asking for this report, that report. They drive you nuts. Doesn't work that way with this group. Really works out great. Check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com, and you get their numbers and all the information on both RE/MAX and cash mortgage. All right. I want to stay on this because this really drives me nuts. With all this going on today, if you go and you take a look at the energy in the market, that's what you have to look at. See, that's the beautiful thing. That's why I always tell my members, no more do you listen to any of this noise or nonsense. You look at one thing. Where is the money going? On this announcement today, with this kind of job numbers,
The energy is what you look at the market. Doesn't that make sense? Doesn't it make sense? If with all these great numbers and everything that they're saying, I mean, they even dragged Larry Kudlow back out, and Larry Kudlow came out today and said, "Oh, this is a good time. Let's do it now." Brought Larry out, said, "Larry, go ahead, tell everybody we got a deal in China. This will bring the market up to 600 now." Larry comes running out. "Hey, we got a deal with China. We got yeah. And just 2 days ago it was, "Oh, we're not going to have a deal with China after the 2020 election." Isn't this silly? That's why you got to just follow the money, the smart money. They know what they're doing. The big banks, the big institutions, the big insurance companies, they know what the hell they're doing. I mean, think about it. Don't you think the biggest 8 banks in the country knows what they're doing? Don't you think the biggest insurance companies know what they're doing? How about the biggest hedge funds? You think they know what they're doing? That's what you follow. You don't follow Larry Kudlow. You don't follow Varney. Are you kidding me, you nuts? You follow the money. So let's go take a look. And we're following the money today. And look at the spiders, S&P. Well, you know what's amazing? While I was following the S&P, see the volume was moving. Remember I told you this job numbers? This job number, it was beautiful today because I told you, you could hear the underwear knotting up on Pelosi. You could, and Shifty Shift. You could hear. Here, listen. We got a cut of it.
SLB.
We got it. Wrong one. Poor Nancy. We're gonna knot it up. Oh God, glad it's Friday. I screwed that one up. All right, but so I'm looking at the volume. It's not going up. Do you know we had more volume? Listen to this. We had more volume on Wednesday. We had more people coming in. This is my charts that I designed. We had more money coming to the market on Tuesday. Imagine that. Than today. How can we have more money coming to the market on Tuesday than today? And don't forget what they did. On Monday they came out and they said China. Let's see if I have the cuts here. This was nuts. This was, let's see. They came out. Oh, here. Remember this? This was Monday. We came back from the weekend.
New optimism for U.S.-China trade once again this morning. Top negotiators on both sides held a phone call overnight. Chinese media is reporting that the two sides discussed core concerns and reached consensus on solving related problems.
Boom! Market opened up Monday way up. Then Tuesday.
Fresh trade fears turning markets negative. As you just heard, futures completely reversing course this morning about an hour ago.
Yeah, because China says no. And then Wednesday, whoa, China again, new deal.
The U.S. and China are moving closer to a trade deal.
So every day they got this trade deal going, right? Nuts. So the market was going up more. Think about this. Let's see, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. Let me do Wednesday, Tuesday. Here's Tuesday.
Fresh trade fears turning markets negative as you just...
The volume was going up on Tuesday, more than today. More and Tuesday they're saying there's no deal with China. So how does that make sense that there's more people in the stock market? Not people. The biggest institutions are buying more on Tuesday than today. If this is supposed to be so fantastic of a number, and they brought Kudlow out to say again today that yeah, it's done. The deal's done with China. But we had more contracts being signed for purchasing. And that's why we follow my charting, because my charting gives you a red if institutions are not buying and a green if they are buying. You can't get in trouble. It's amazing. It works. And every day, no matter what stock, if you're a gang member and you're in our member portfolio, you're following our portfolio stocks every day at 2 o'clock. We give you a video on the stock you are in. Here, give you an example. We have a video of our gold. I'm sorry, not gold. Yeah, was it gold? Yeah, gold today. No, Schlumberger.
SLB, we're still kind of going sideways, still slowly trending up. You got good separation here, and you're up here towards the top. So we added back on Wednesday today.
So what he's doing is he's on the videos, he's talking to you. You have your video. You have your color-coded chart, and you follow him. He's telling you what to do. How can you not make money? He's telling you what to do. We post these every day at 2 o'clock on our portfolio of stocks. And if you still don't know what to do, you just contact us, and we guide you. Does anybody else give you a video every day on a stock that you have? Does your 401k manager give you a video and instructions every day on the stock that's in your 401k? What are you, nuts? He could care less about you.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
So you think he's going to do a video? We do it for our members. And if you don't think it works, I'm going to challenge you. I'm going to give you a 10-day free trial on my chart, my color-coded chart. You're going to get that free for 10 days. 10 days. And you're going to get the membership free for 10 days. That's all. How can you turn that down? And I'm going to show you it works. And the beautiful thing is, remember, the market goes up about, actually it's now increased. It used to be 73% of the time. It goes up 80% of the time because the market's fake. All they do is keep pushing the market up with stock buybacks, right? So how can you go wrong? The key is that you don't want to get caught when the market is going to collapse. And I'm not talking about a crash, just a 5% correction. Even a 10% correction, you don't get caught with that. Well, you won't get caught. If you're following our instructions and you're following the color-coded chart that tells you when it turns red to take your money off, or to at least take some profits off. And better, how about making money when it goes down? Now, we have a stock I gave my members, and I want you, as I say, I'm going to right now give you 10 days free. The membership and the color-coded chart, free. 10 days. I want you to follow us on Starbucks. Starbucks. And I told you that yesterday. It's already up again. It's up again. It's not costing you anything to be a gang member for 10 days. It's not costing you anything with my color-coded chart. And then every day, Starbucks, you get an instruction what to do. Now, that's what works. I'm going to tell you, you keep listening to these financial shows, you're never going to make any money. Because they're not truthful. They're just fake, these people. They don't tell you the truth. Ask them, how come there's more volume on Wednesday than today? Be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
Tell you every time I'm on the air, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. AT&T, we got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs are up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
We make sure our gang members are positioned to sell the market short with the same ease as going long. So you join the gang for $39.95, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You decide when you join the gang of our membership group what you want to follow. So let's say you decide you want to start following gold. Okay, so let's say you're going to follow AU. And by the way, we started to buy AU on May 30th. We're up 89%. We're there every day to tell our members what to do. At 2 o'clock, there's the video. Or if you want to be aggressive and you want to be a real trader, just come to my class every day from 9:30 to 11. That's your choice. If you get confused, you get a hold of us. You have your own personal coach, for God's sakes. And if you do exactly what we tell you in that video every day. You'll be making money consistent.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day? That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026.
Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Short on time, but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com.
Hey, welcome back to Phil's Gang. Can you imagine Pelosi? She's calling for the impeachment of the president. She's asking Americans, please stand behind me and throw this guy out of office. And she's getting the numbers today up 266,000. And here she is. She's asking people to help impeach the president, and you can hear her underwear nodding up. Listen.
Today, I am asking our chairman to proceed with articles of impeachment. The president leaves us no choice but to act because he is trying to corrupt once again.
What an idiot, right? Unbelievable. Okay, so here's the deal. If you go look at airlines today, now one of our favorites is Southwest. Love airlines, right? Now look at this. The market's up 342 points, but my color-coded chart is showing us the big hedge funds are pulling their money out of Southwest Airlines. The big banks are pulling their money out. Do you have someone to point that out to you? No. If you're a member of mine and you got the chart in your membership, you're never going to get in trouble. You're going to at least know what the hell's going on. Just you can't listen to these people. So there it is. Now we also have, and I'm begging you, come and join the gang for the next 10 days free and follow me on Starbucks. It's one of our Christmas stocking stuffers. It's just setting up beautifully to go up. It just turned green. And so just go to my site, philsgang.com, where it says Get Started. Click on where it says Get Started, and then make sure you get the Working Investor. You sign up for the Working Investor package, so you get my membership free for 10 days, and you get my color-coded chart free for 10 days. And get your kids started with it. They haven't got to know anything about moving average, about margins or free cash flow or any of that garbage. You don't need to know anything about the PE ratio of the company. Nothing. Starbucks turning green. It's going up. The other day when the market went down 400 points, Starbucks was going up. Because the chart identifies the biggest banks are buying Starbucks. The hedge funds are buying Starbucks. So the market was going down 400 points, but the stock was going up. What a beautiful thing. Now, on the opposite side, today the market's up 334 points, and Southwest Airlines, symbol LUV, is going down. They're pulling money out of the airline. So every day we, at 2 o'clock, post a video on our stock portfolio. So just pick one of the stocks or two, or maybe you want to pick one of our ETFs and just do exactly what we're telling you on the video. And if that confuses you, I don't know how it would, but if it does, then just contact our service and customer service, and we'll take care of you. We'll whatever we need to do, we'll get you straightened out. If you can't visualize the video, if you I don't know how you get confused with it, but maybe you do. I don't know, but we'll sign somebody to you and hold your hand and get you on the right track with the stock. I mean, maybe you don't know the difference in the colors. We'll just show you here's green, here's red. I don't know. But I tell you, you can't listen to these people. Listen to this. Think about this. This is so nuts. The rich are getting richer, right? We know that. And the poor, okay, the poor are getting poorer, right? That used to be the deal, right? Remember we were always told, rich are getting richer, poor are getting poorer. That's not the deal anymore. No. Know what the deal is now? The rich are getting real rich. And the poor not doing too bad. With all the welfare and the safety nets and helping out the poor, not too bad. The middle class, they're getting screwed big. They're not getting wage increases. Are you kidding? The middle class has always been the foundation of this economy. Because why? Because they were always in the high-paying manufacturing and construction jobs. That's where the big money was paid. And then when globalization came in, they lost all those jobs. They had the disposable income. See, when the middle-class American, when we had a union and they're working for factories and for construction and they're making big money, they had disposable income, enough income that they paid their bills and their taxes to go start a small business. And it's our startup businesses is the backbone of our economy. It always has been. 70% of our jobs come from the middle class who start up businesses. And when the middle class, remember, is the foundation of our economy, and those businesses were the backbone of the economy, and that all went away. And now the middle class is almost no more. You either got to become part of the very rich, or you're going to be poor and taken care of with welfare and subsidies and safety nets. They're telling us the economy is growing on an annual basis of 3%. That's a total lie. Total lie. You go back and look for the last 10 years, we haven't hit 3%. We haven't hit 3% in the last 10 years. In the last 5 years, we didn't hit 3%. The market was going up 50%, and the economy was going down 15%. But we don't care. But that's why they always tell you, watch the stock market. They always tell you the stock market identifies the health of the economy. They lie to you because they don't want you to identify the economy's going up 50% in the last 5 years, but the economy, what's the economy? What is the economy? What identifies the economy? Earnings, profits. What else? Is our economy growing? Economic GDP growth. Well, how do you grow the economy? People got to be spending. How do they spend? They should get pay raises, but they're not getting pay raises. Whatever little pay raise they get killed with health care and student loans and everything else. So how are they spending more than they're taking in? How are they doing that?
People are feeling flush in their accounts, spending more than our income coming in.
How are they doing that? It's called the credit bubble. The gangsters that run our whole economy, the Federal Reserve, the top 1/100th of 1%. What they're doing is they want to keep rates low for themselves so they can keep making a fortune in the stock market. That's why you got to be in the market. In the meantime, the people who aren't in the market, they out there going, oh man, I can buy this stuff. I got more credit cards. Look at all the stuff I can buy. So they're getting up to their neck in debt. But they can't come out and say, all right, here's what we're going to do. We're going to just take the money for ourselves at low rates, and nobody else, no, you can't have low-rate money. You think they can announce that? Look what they've done to the savers. The savers are losing $250 billion a year. They're losing about $2,500 a year, a person who has a savings account. Because why? Because by dropping those interest rates to zero or close to zero, 1.5, 1.7, to get down there, what they're doing is they're making the savers subsidize those low rates. So they dropped their rates that used to be 3.5%, 4% down to 1.5%, not even 1%. So savers are getting screwed. The only people that are really making money in this country are the very, very wealthy. The middle class used to do very, very well in this country, but no more. They're getting squeezed. And all the money that used to go to the bottom, let's say the bottom half, is now going up to the rich. It's amazing. So all you need to do to make money is join my gang, and I'm going to challenge you. For 10 days, why don't you follow me with Starbucks using the membership and a color-coded chart for 10 days and see if you make money. See if you make money. If you don't make money, at least you're not going to lose money because the color-coded chart is going to say, no, don't put your money in there. Or it's going to say, wait a minute, we better take our money back out of Starbucks. So, I think that's a pretty good offer. I'm going to challenge you. 10 days, you're not going to get chart. You get my membership free, my color-coded chart free, and follow me on Starbucks. And you're going to see it works as it does all the other stocks. But I'm telling you, Trump came in at the right time because why? Because all the people who used to be middle class are struggling, and he gave them hope 3 years ago that he was going to drain this swamp. And they're trying to stop him. Pelosi and the rest trying to stop him. Now, again, even if you hate Trump, you got to understand this is not helping anybody. Because while Pelosi and the Democrats are all working trying to stop him, they're not working on lowering the cost of health care or student loans, are they? I can't help you with that, but I can with the market. Get my chart and my membership free for 10 days, and I'll challenge you on Starbucks, okay? Free chart, free membership for 10 days. See you on the charts.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.